would love to talk to you about nasolabial folds, or so-called laugh lines. I honestly can tell you, without even touching that area, you can improve it. With age, we hold a lot of tension in our faces, in our skulls, in our neck, and in our jaws, which then has a huge impact on that area right here. So for example, if you are like constantly smirking like this, you're shortening that area right here, so this gets tensed. So this already has a huge implication on making folds here. Then this cheek muscle right here oftentimes pushes with age down, creates on top of that this area right here as well. And then your jaw muscle, which obviously is tense generally, so especially when you're clenching your jaw, you have like TMG, this area right here doesn't help either. So everything is pushing towards it. And if you on top of that have a tense neck, so you're sitting like this constantly, and you also do not have an elastic scalp, then this is a concoction for nasolabial folds. And of course, having them is not a bad thing at all. But if you would like to reduce them or understand where they're coming from and then also get rid of them to a certain extent, that's why we are doing this video right here. First, we are going to make our scalp elastic. So if this area right here becomes a little bit more wiggly, so to speak, so this is a great test also for wrinkles overall in the face, then you will reduce the movement, which then stops right here, because if the scalp is not elastic, then the movement of your expression cannot go forward, and then all this stuff gets accumulated in the face, and then you look older. So make sure on daily basis to give your scalp and your hair a little pull, a little wiggle. This is not only amazing for hair growth, but also for your overall well-being and your beauty of the face. Next thing, we are going to massage the masseter muscle, which is our chewing muscle right here. Open up your jaw slightly, and then go in with the knuckles, and then glide gently while holding your mouth open. Do that as slowly as possible, and you will even feel tension and maybe some pain in that area, and keep on going. Do that honestly for a couple of minutes daily. You can even open your jaw slightly and give it a wiggle like this. Now that you relaxed your scalp, your jaw, we are going to work on this muscle right here. You can use your index fingers and gently glide downwards. The slower the movement, the better. We are relaxing this area right here. Keep in mind, these muscles are constantly tense and in spasm, so it will take time. It will not probably happen after one session to release the tension. But if you do that regularly, you will see an improvement, not only in your nasolabial folds, but also in your entire face. And if your face gets red a little bit, that's not a problem at all. It should get back to normal after a while, but like you increase blood circulation, you do it with medium to strong pressure, but it should never hurt. And we are continuing doing like this. And don't forget to breathe and also keep your shoulders relaxed. The fourth hack is this area right here, right under our nostrils. We can use our knuckles and start massaging and releasing the tension right in that area right here. Also do that for a couple of minutes. Now move your knuckles outwards and down. And so this is also an amazing way to work on your nasolabial folds. Lastly, we have, for example, a lot of tension in our mouth, and this area right here then pulls everything down and then creates nasolabial folds as well. So what we're going to do, we are slowly and gently opening our mouth and doing this movement. So we feel the muscle right here, which is tensioning, and we are starting with circular motion to massage that area and release the tension. You can also change the circles and do that even for longer than I'm showing you right now. Again, this is only just for demonstration purposes, but this is an amazing way to also get rid of your, so to call, resting face. If you're looking like this constantly, even though you're actually really happy, then this is the massage for you. Last thing, your neck. Your neck is super important. So if you, for example, get a grip of your neck muscle and start holding it firm and doing movements with your neck on one side while massaging that area, and then also keep on doing it on the other side, you will feel slowly but surely the tension releasing. With that being said, I think this is something we are oftentimes not talking about, that so many things in our face determine why we have certain things, and then we want to go in and just work on that area or work on that under eye area. Make sure to holistically look at your face, and this is also why I conceptualized the program, or like our app at All You Can Face, where we teach those techniques and you honestly just press a button, follow along in the time necessary for a longer period of time to then see results in the best way possible. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions or if you would love to learn more about certain areas, let me know, and I'll make sure to incorporate that into our next videos. And I wish you a wonderful rest of your day and sending you much love. Mwah.